Hey guys, Cam from BBQ Spit Rotisseries and Flaming Coals. I'm here to answer those questions you may have online or in store. The question we often get asked is, why is there MSG in rubs? Now, why we use MSG in rubs is, well, for starters, MSG is a naturally occurring compound that enhances flavor. So if you think of it like that, in the barbecue world, especially competition barbecue, we're looking for that one bite the judge is going to take and be wowed straight away and really get that depth of flavor from the meat. So that's one reason why we use it, and also another reason is just to amplify that taste. So you can use it at home. It is a very safe ingredient to use when it's used correctly. So don't overdo it, but most of the barbecue rubs, especially the competition ones on the market, have got MSG in them. Don't be alarmed, but just remember, if you've got any more questions, please hit us up, subscribe to the channel, and we'll speak soon.